Hi everyone, my name is Devora Park and I am one of the CEOs of Sandy's Curly Girls LLC, and I am so excited that you guys are sharing this moment with us. This is our YouTube channel and this is our very first video, so subscribe down below and welcome to the family. Thank you for those customers who are already rocking with us, and thank you for those new customers who love and see what we do here on this YouTube channel and would like to join the family. Also, go check out sandyscurlygirls.com and check out what we have in store as well as what we're providing right now. Also, basically what we want to do with this channel is provide you all with tutorials on how to use the products and basically make you aware that we too are curly girls. Right now, today, it doesn't look like I'm very much of a curly girl, but I am. Thanks to T_Bell_Rose, I got this wonderful silk press for Miss Sandy herself, her 60th birthday. Sorry, don't kill me. Sorry, 66th birthday. And basically, it was beautiful. She trimmed it and it was wonderful. And now what I want to do with you guys today is basically show you how my curls will revert back to being curly curls, and let you know that and show you that our products are really helpful, really beneficial, and all natural. And those shampoos that you use now from the corner store or whatever store you get it from, you can also use our shampoos and you'll get the same or better results. So first, I have our shampoo bar. It has bentonite clay as well as apple cider vinegar and many other beneficial herbs that can reduce inflammation and basically bring relief to your scalp. So here is our shampoo bar. And following that, I'm going to be using our conditioner bar. Our conditioner bar has honey, oatmeal, as well as sweet almond oil to bring that softness to our curls that we really love and enjoy. And here's our conditioner bar. All right, everyone, I will be going ahead and changing up a little bit, getting more comfortable so I can show you guys how I wash my hair using the shampoo and conditioner bars.